penne, champignon and sausage. We need a good sausage, champignon, mushroom, penne rigate, very important, parsley, garlic, and a good glass of white wine. Let's start cutting our sausage to smaller pieces, then in half. In a pan, a good amount of olive oil. Once the pan gets hot, we can add our sausage. We add a bit of salt and black pepper. First of all, we need to clean our champignon. You can use a paper towel and simply brush them. I already did mine, so let's chop. In the same pan where we have cooked the sausage, we add a bit more of olive oil. We put 2 pieces of garlic. I already removed the skin. The pan is hot. We add our mushroom, black pepper, salt, a bit of water. We reduce the stove, and for now we close. Now we can combine it with the sausage, and we finish with the glass of wine. We let it go until the alcoholic part is completely evaporated. The mushroom and the sausage are ready. Let's remove the garlic. We turn off and we add our parsley. The pasta, water is boiling. A spoon of salt. Not too much, the sausage is pretty salty, so don't abuse. And then penne rigate. Let's drain the pasta when it's al dente for finish the cooking with the mushroom and the sausage. Turn on the stove. Pasta al dente. A bit of pasta water. Black pepper. If you like, Parmesan cheese. These guys are my penne with champignon and sausage. Not too bad. Try at home. Ciao!